guys, we're at the McDonald's and eating breakfast. Guys, here, oh my goodness, that's God, this is the special the Easter egg. Because it's April, guys. April. Yes.
Nabahay niyo na yung babalang.
Easter egg. Yes, after in home, we'll play Easter egg at home. You can watch us at home. Yep. Okay. Let's play Easter egg at home.
Diretso upload mo na to 3 minutes lang to. Tanggalin mo yung sinabi ko Edit mo
Kasi upload.
Bye-bye tayo. Kasama
Do you know we're eating McDonald's at BGC? Yep. We're eating McDonald's. Sorry, I burped. Sorry.
Look, hindi ka nakikita, look.
Dapat sinabi mo. Oh. Bye-bye, guys. Okay, bye-bye.
See you later.
See you later at home.